Hello, my name's Paul Jones, Chairman of Warley Model Railway Club. Here I am in our club rooms immediately prior to the most recent lockdown due to the coronavirus. Sadly, the club rooms will be empty now for 4, 5, maybe more weeks. I've been a member of Warley Model Railway Club for over 50 years and been involved in many of the model railway layout projects that we built in that time, and I'm currently chairman of the club. We have our own YouTube and Facebook and our own website, and if you wish to follow what we're up to, and in particular arrangements for our virtual event which is taking place on the 28th and 29th of November, please look at those channels, but make sure you subscribe to the channels and click the notification bell. That way you'll get to know exactly what's happening on the weekend of our live event, which will include live content. There will be plenty of videos on various aspects of the Model Railway Club, its life and our annual exhibition. So please have a look and we hope you enjoy what you see. Thank you very much.
Right, my name's John Parry. I'm one of the O-Gauge group. We're building a new layout, which is taking a little bit longer than we anticipated. It started life based on Cyril Freeze's well-known Minories plan, with a little bit of embellishment, but we recently decided that we'd scenic it, possibly as a through station with an overhead building. We were looking around for a suitable West Midlands prototype, and we've now settled on Plec, which nobody will remember, I don't think. It closed and was demolished in 1958. We have 2 through platforms, which we'll use as terminal platforms. One dead-end terminus platform, and goods arrival and departure loops, with some good sidings further up that way. And to continue the scenery, where the fiddle yard is, the visible part will show a small dairy. We've just got the platforms down. As you see, we're working on the back seam. That still has to be finished. And hopefully then, once that's all done, we can actually start on the scenery, which probably is the more interesting part of it. This is a combined side and end loading dock, which we've constructed basically out of several thicknesses of foam board. You can just perhaps see the last one there, and the thinner bits are card, covered with embossed styrene sheet and suitably painted. This is the other end of the layout. The line disappears there into the fiddle yard traverser. This here is a siding. Over there is going to be a dairy, just to add a little bit of interest. You might have noticed in the other shot we've got a switch panel here and one up there. These control some of the turnouts. This one controls these 3, which would not be controlled from the signal box. All the others, and those at the front, can be operated from a mimic panel on the back.